The Israel Festival started 52 years ago as a classic music festival with many great artists, musicians mainly, for music, classic music, jazz, world music, theater and dance. We host artists from Asia, from Europe, from America, from Australia, from almost every place, and to try, if we can, to use the sites, the special sites of the city. When you do it, in a special historical, ancient place, then it gives you a special atmosphere and a benefit that you cannot get it in any other place in the world. When artists come here, this is the best way for Israel to show, and Jerusalem, to show that it's an open country. They come to Jerusalem, they love Jerusalem. You can go on the streets, you can sit in a cafe and go to a theater, or afterwards to go to a pub. I remember 15 or 20 years ago, people said that Jerusalem was going to sleep at 9 o'clock in the evening. Now it's 24 hours, it's active. You can go not only to the Wailing Wall, but other places, pubs, theaters, jazz places, and enjoy, many hours of the day.